In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a flagged Fiverr account. If your Fiverr account has been flagged, restricted, or limited in some way, the most important thing to do is stay calm and handle the issue carefully. In many cases, Fiverr places flags on accounts for security reviews, policy concerns, or unusual activity. And the best approach is to respond clearly and professionally. First, check your notifications carefully. Go through the email inbox connected to your Fiverr account and also check your spam or junk folder. Fiverr often sends a message explaining the reason for the restriction or at least giving you instructions about what to do next. Read any message closely, because even a small detail can tell you whether the issue is related to account security, identity verification, payment activity, or a possible rules violation. If you see a notice inside your Fiverr account as well, make sure to review that too so you have the full picture before taking action. Next, contact support. You can reach out through the Fiverr Help Center by submitting a ticket or by emailing Fiverr support directly. When you write your message, keep your explanation polite, short, and honest. Ask why the account was flagged and request a review of the account status. It helps to avoid emotional language or repeated messages, since that can slow things down. A clear support request gives you a better chance of getting a useful response. If Fiverr asks for verification, make sure you provide it as requested. This could include personal identification, proof of address, or financial documents if the account was flagged because of a security or compliance check. Before submitting anything, double-check that the files are clear, readable, and match the details on your account. Incomplete or blurry documents can delay the review process, so accuracy matters here. You should also take time to review Fiverr's terms of service. Look for any rule that may have been broken, such as sharing contact information outside the platform, operating multiple accounts, or doing anything else that Fiverr may consider against policy. The goal is not to guess wildly, but to understand what might have triggered the flag so you can address it honestly in your support message. Being upfront and respectful is usually the best way to move forward. Once you've completed those steps, give Fiverr time to investigate and respond. Keep an eye on your email for updates and be ready to reply if they ask for more information. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.